Friends, if I ask people who are fools, different people will have different answer for that particular question. But according to my opinion, those people who thinks very much like others, who are around us, those people who thinks like masses, those people who thinks like a crowd thinks, they are real fools. As for example, if I talk about our society, you will find at least 99% people are religious. That means nearly 99% people of our society have the same kind of thought process. So according to that particular definition, I have told nearly 99% people of our society are fools. Thank you.